Sunny St. John is one of the most extraordinary destinations on the planet, and I'm here at the exclusive villa 2B Peter Bay in the heart of the Virgin Islands National Park. From the moment you enter, you know you have arrived somewhere special. It's time to take off your shoes and relax in first-class style and take in all the inspiration that the Caribbean brings. The beautiful new furnishings at 2B Peter Bay add a calming palette of grays and blues with the perfect touch of modern simplicity and luxurious design. The ocean-inspired decor brings a touch of nature and elegance to the villa. All 4 of the bedrooms have been updated to mahogany 4-poster king beds with gorgeous linen quilts and are all easily accessed from the interior of the villa. This villa features 2 dining tables set for 10 with stylish cushioned chairs. Add a private chef for the evening of a lifetime. The comfortable lounge set creates the perfect vibe to unwind with your family and friends as the sun drops into the sea. "2B Peter Bay is one of the few villas on St. John that is located just steps away from a beach nestled within the national park. A short walk through the banyan tree, down the stone stairs, and you will arrive at the secluded shoreline. Wind down your sunshine-filled days on this amazing patio. You will never want to leave 2B Peter Bay. Book your stay now with us at Unique Island Assets, and we can't wait to welcome you.